If you're looking for a fun and flexible way to bake sourdough, these mini loaves are such a game changer. Add your sourdough starter and water to a large bowl and give it a quick mix, then add your flour and salt, bringing everything together into a shaggy dough. Cover the bowl with a damp towel and let it rest for around an hour. Once it's rested, it's time to bring the dough together and then cover it again and let it rest for a little bit longer. Now we're going to build strength in the dough with some stretch and folds. Over the next couple of hours, aim for around 4 to 6 sets. Once that's done, cover the dough and let it bulk ferment at room temperature until it doubles in size. Now for the fun part and the bit I absolutely love, the shaping. Gently turn the dough out onto your bench, smooth side down. Divide it into 4 or 6 pieces depending on how many mini boules you would like to make. You can then shape them into mini sourdough loaves by folding the edges into the center and gently rolling them into a ball to create some surface tension. Dust them with semolina or rice flour and place each piece into your proofing container, seam side up. And this is where you can really have some fun with it. I love using all sorts of different proofing containers. I'll often pick up little bowls and containers from places like IKEA, or even muffin tins work really well for smaller loaves. It's such an easy way to create different shapes and make each bake just a little bit unique. Cover these and place them into the fridge for a cold ferment. I often use Ziploc bags to cold ferment my mini loaves. When you're ready to bake, preheat your oven with your Dutch oven inside. Turn your mini loaves out onto parchment paper, score with a simple cross and carefully place them into the hot Dutch ovens. Bake them with the lid on for 30 minutes and then remove the lid for another 10 to 15 minutes. And once they're out of the oven, transfer them to a wire rack and let them cool. And that's it, perfectly golden, crusty mini sourdough loaves that are just as fun to make as they are to eat.